As SUVs keep on growing in notoriety, full estimate vehicles are having a harder time drawing in a group of people. On account of the 2018 Chevrolet Impala, in any case, drawing in potential clients isn't too troublesome, particularly when one considers the gigantic esteem offered by Chevy's longest-running vehicle. Despite the fact that opposition in the vast car advertise incorporates similarly storied names, for example, the Toyota Avalon and the Dodge Charger, the Impala stands its ground with forceful styling, a component-rich alternative rundown and a decision of a sparing 4-chamber or an intense 6-barrel motor. Early in solid resale and dependability evaluations, a huge merchant range and aggressive valuing, and Chevrolet's vehicle makes a convincing contention for why vast SUV purchasers hoping to scale down should need to think about returning to a conventional car. The 2018 Impala sees various bundle and choice changes, in spite of the fact that the essential auto stays unaltered. The LS trim gets new leatherette and material seats, a MyLink radio with 8-inch touchscreen, keyless access with push-catch begin and a back reinforcement camera. The LT increases remote vehicle begin, while the Premier includes root, Bose sound and remote PDA charging. Snazzy plan, open inside, gigantic trunk, incredible ride, present-day innovation, V6 alternative for every trim level.